make a minimum resultant. So here we go. Our 7.9 is here, and our 6 is here, and our resultant would be here. So we have 7.9 kilonewtons, and we have 6 kilonewtons, and we know this is 90 degrees. So now what we're going to do, in order to find this, we have to use Coase law. So Coase law. So now what we're going to do is root 6 squared plus 7.9 squared minus 2 times 6 times 7.9 cos 90. Just like that. And this should equal, I'm going to plug it in really quick, minus 2 times 6 times 7.9 cos 90 should be 9.92 kilonewtons. And now we could use sine law to find this angle, which is what we want to find because F is going here, and then we'll connect our resultant this way. So this angle here, we could use sine law, but I'm just going to use tan inverse, which is opposite over adjacent. So let's do that. Tan minus 1 is going to be 7.9 over 6. Let's do that. And it'll be 52.78 degrees. So now what we want to do is make our diagram with our, obviously, our two givens and our F. So we'll draw our given like that and our F like this. And now we want to set our resultant at 90 degrees. So bang, bang, like that. And this is going to be 90 degrees, just like that. This is our F, and this would be our F1 plus F2, which is 9.92 kilonewtons. Just like that, we know this is 90, and we've just solved for this distance, which is 52.78, and we've solved for, or we are given this distance, which is 30, just like that, which is 52 degrees. And you add 30 to 52.78 degrees, and you have 82.78 degrees, which is right here. This is going to be 82.78 degrees. We'll solve for F. So, in order to find this angle here, we'll call that theta. We will, so we'll go 180 minus 90 degrees minus 82.78 degrees equals 7.22 degrees. And now we can solve this using the sine law. So we'll get right into it. Solving for first side, so the side goes on top. 9.92 divide sine 90 multiplied by sine 7.22, just like that. And our F should come out to 1.25 kilonewtons. And we can solve for our FR by using sine law or cos law because we have everything, right? So I'm just going to use sine law. So I'm going to go 9.92 divide sine 90. And another thing I like to note is if you're solving for a side, put the side on top. If you're solving for an angle, put the angle on top, which would mean that would go there. Okay, so now let's solve, which equals sine FR over sine 82.78. And this means FR going to equal 9.92 multiplied by sine 82.78. And the reason we can just kind of forget about this is because sine 90 is 1. So 9.92 divided by 1 is just 9.92. So we multiply this up here, up there, and we have 9.84 kilonewtons. And these are our answers. 9.82 kilonewtons, and F is 1.25 kilonewtons. Thank you for watching.